Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Opera crypto wallet. First, let's get your wallet set up. Open your Opera browser and navigate to the settings. Look for the Advanced or Features section, then enable the crypto wallet. A wallet icon will appear in your sidebar. Click it to either create a brand new wallet or restore an existing one using your 12-word recovery phrase. Remember to set a strong, unique password for security. Now that your wallet is ready, let's cover sending and receiving funds. To receive cryptocurrency, simply locate and share your unique public wallet address with the sender. When sending, click the Send option, input the recipient's wallet address, and specify the amount. Always double-check the address to prevent errors. Remember that blockchain transactions involve network fees and can take a few minutes to confirm, depending on network congestion. The Opera wallet is quite versatile, supporting many cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, Bitcoin, and various ERC20 tokens. You can easily manage your digital assets and even non-fungible tokens, or NFT, directly within the browser. A key feature is its seamless integration with decentralized applications, or dApps, allowing you to interact with Web3 services without extra extensions. The wallet selector also helps you manage multiple wallets for different dApp interactions. Security is paramount when managing your crypto. Always use a strong, unique password for your Opera wallet to protect your funds. Crucially, securely back up your 12-word recovery phrase in a safe, offline location. This phrase is your ultimate key to your assets. Remember, Opera will never ask for this phrase, and you should never share your private keys or recovery phrase with anyone, as doing so grants full access to your digital assets.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.